Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu reports that Hazrat Maulana radiyallahu anha said, I set out water for the Prophet's bath and screened him with a garment. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam poured water on his hands and washed them. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam poured water with his right hand on his left hand and washed his private parts. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam struck his hand on the ground and rubbed it on it. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam washed it. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam gargled and sniffed the water up into the nose. Moreover, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam washed his face and forearms. Afterwards, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam poured water on his head and body. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam got aside and washed his feet. I handed over him a piece of cloth, but he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not take it and went away shaking the water off his hands. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 276.